Let's forget about the jihad, the Muslim. Kidnapping, please, countries come to our aid. It's like we don't have a president in Nigeria because our president is clueless. What is happening, Gaga Tinubu? All this kidnapping, terrorizing of Christians started with APC during Buhari regime. We are ready to face them. America also. Ọ̀rọ̀ tábí amọ́lé sọ nìyẹn wọ́n ti ń pa Kristẹni jù ní Nàìjíríà. Àwọn Boko Haram Kristẹni Muslim ni wọ́n. Àwọn Fúlàní tó ń díyàn they are Muslims. àrí fídíò wọn kó tó bá fẹ́ shoot wọn nínú gbó wọn ní Bismillah. Kí ló dé irú ẹ̀sìn wèrè wọlé gbà.
Yorùbá Parapọ̀ TV ẹ máa gbọ́ ẹ máa wò ó ẹ subscribe síbẹ̀ ẹ like ẹ bó bá ṣe ń lọ àwa ò ní jákẹ́tì yín ó di sí o. Yorùbá Parapọ̀ TV àgbàlẹ́tù ọmọdé làwọ̀.
Ẹ káàbọ̀ sí Yorùbá Parapọ̀ TV níbi tá a ti máa ń fún yín ní ọ̀kan òjọ̀kan àwọn nǹkan tó ń ṣẹlẹ̀ lórílẹ̀‐èdè Nàìjíríà nílẹ̀ adúláwọ̀ káàkiri àgbáyé. Yorùbá Parapọ̀ TV kí la ní fún wa lénìí. Bó bá jẹ́ gbà àkọ́kọ́ lẹ́yìn wò wá àbí ẹ ti jẹ́ olólùfẹ́ wa tẹ́lẹ̀ rí ṣùgbọ́n ẹ ò tí ì tẹ subscribe button síbẹ̀ ẹ bá wa tẹ̀ síbẹ̀ ẹ sì má gbàgbé láti tẹ aago pélébé tí ń bẹ níwájú ẹ̀ èyí tí ó máa rán yín létí nígbàkúùgbà tá a bá ti wà lórí ètò. Ìkànnì tẹ́ wà náà ní Yorùbá Parapọ̀ TV. Ìṣọ̀kan ọmọ Yorùbá náà ló jẹ wá lógún. Búburú kan ò ní ṣe yín búburú kan ò ní ṣe wá ẹ jẹ́ máa bẹ́tù ọ̀hún bọ̀ kí la ní fún wa lénìí kí ló ṣẹlẹ̀.
Kí ló dé? President Trump is telling you the truth. Somebody will talk and rescue Christians. The way the Muslims are using their veto power because the president is Muslim, the vice president is Muslim, they think they can take law into their hand. This America no dey hear thing o. Ìjẹ́ sọ Yorùbá tí Amẹ́ríkà bá kọlù yín gbogbo ilé wọn máa jó. Meanwhile wọ́n á fi yẹn fọkàn gold yín gbogbo ẹ̀. You're supposed to liaise. Somebody responds that wípé you might not see America, but you're supposed to address the nation regarding the tension between the Muslim and the Christian. On the right, aircraft today. Ẹ̀kẹ́ kó wọ́n máa ju bọ́ọ̀mù kiri wọ́n máa destroy Nigeria pátápátá. Tinubu ní nǹkan ọjà bẹ́ẹ̀ bá lẹ̀ ní nuclear àwọn ẹ̀yìn ní Amẹ́ríkà mọ̀ pé Amẹ́ríkà ìlú tó bá bẹ̀rẹ̀ ogun ó lè jà fún 20 years nílùú yẹn ìlú yẹn ò ní balance ṣe fẹ́ rú ẹ̀ Nàìjíríà ẹ̀dẹ̀ mọ̀ pé kí n gbà nìkan wọ́n rí èsì tó fún wọn yẹn Tinubu. Ṣé torí pé ò lè wọ Amẹ́ríkà for the drugs ẹ̀ o ní kó máa di business yẹ o ṣé rí owó tí Amẹ́ríkà ní Amẹ́ríkà olówó wọ́ọ̀ ni wọ́n fi máa ń lówó ṣé fẹ́ kọ́ jẹ Nàìjíríà ọ̀run ni abẹ́ rò pé àwọn Àgbẹ̀kọ̀yà ni ó wà gbéga yín àbí yín tá a bá rí fọ́gbọ́ lọ gbọ́ngbọ́ lè fẹ́ wá ṣe má pèsè sí fíìmù ó máa kàn wọ́n tó pèsè sí fíìmù náà. Wọ́n ní tí ẹlẹ́ṣẹ̀ bá ń jìyà olódò tí US bá kọlu Nàìjíríà wọ́n á parí bí gómìnà Sodoma Gomora ni because ìjà ní Amẹ́ríkà fi ń lówó because a religion should be peaceful, should be where you are preaching, but Muslims, see what happened in Ilorin 2 months ago. See the way they are terrorizing Christian because of a river. The Christian went by the riverside to do his spiritual bath. You see the way they create them. When Jonathan was a president, when Obasanjo Christian was a president, this has never happened. There has never been a discrimination between Christian and Muslim. But it's during this boy, Tinubu. But instead of you are the one calling for a war for Nigeria. Because there's a way you can address ìjà Amẹ́ríkà fi ń lówó ẹwà dípẹ́ gbogbo tó bá ti ẹ̀kọ́ natural resources Nàìjíríà mi tiẹ̀ máa ń kókó wúlò fẹ́ yìí tẹ́ ní àwọn náà ló wúlò fún Tinubu tó lágbára tí ò ní agbára tí sáré tó bá dé ṣé gbogbo wọn kọ́kọ́ mú gbogbo jẹ́ẹ̀tì yẹn wọn kọ́kọ́ dúró dànù tẹ́lẹ̀ lè jáde mi ìgbàgbọ́ ẹ̀ ládùúgbò fún Nàìjíríà but tí Amẹ́ríkà ń sọ ọ̀rọ̀ tábí amọ́ lè sọ nìyẹn wọ́n ti ń pa Kristẹni jù ní Nàìjíríà àwọn Boko Haram Kristẹni Muslim ni wọ́n àwọn Fúlàní tó ń díyàn gbé Muslims àrí fídíò wọn kó tó bá fẹ́ shoot wọn nínú igbó wọn á ní bísímìláì kí ló dé irú ẹ̀sìn wèrè wọlé gbà gbogbo àwọn kàtà gbogbo wọn fàyè gba everybody Saudi kan fàyè gba wọn náà yóò Christian kò ní tẹ̀yìn ẹ̀yin Muslim náà kí tinú yìí bu báyìí náà ẹ̀sìn yìí tí ò ṣe oríire fẹ́ anybody Christian ò jọ yín lójú ẹ máa yánkẹ́ wọn ni ẹ̀sìn yìí tó ń support òbúsáídá ẹ̀sìn òfò ní ìdẹ̀bílẹ̀mù yín Muhammed yín kan olórí ibú ni ìmọ̀ ń pààyàn ṣeré ni ìmọ̀ ń dó ọmọ rẹ̀ ń dó gbogbo wọn ẹ̀yin náà mọ̀ ń sọ ọmọ ńgbà Muhammed jagun jihadi yín nǹkan rẹ̀ lẹ́ ń sọ ìbúlẹ̀ títí tí Jésù jagun ìbúlẹ̀ tí pé Jésù pààyàn àwọn Muslim in the rest of the country tó wà lábúrò ìlú wọn dá wọn lówó gbogbo owó tí yóò ju àmì èṣù dúdú tí ń bẹ wájú orí àmì Sátánì tó ń bẹ wájú orí yín lọ mo lọ kàtà mi èrì sí mi ara mo lọ Dubai lẹ́nu mẹ́ta mi ìrà mi yẹn ń bẹ ẹlẹ́nkírun lẹ́ẹ̀márùn lójúmọ́ ẹ jẹ́ ń pàwọn èèyàn mo rò pé kò fẹ́ dá fún yín inú yín bu ṣé mọ̀ pé mẹ́ka tẹ̀ ń lọ yẹn owó ọmọgọ̀ ni ṣé mọ̀ pé owó ọmọgọ̀ ni wọ́n sọ pé bọ́lọ̀ ń bẹ mẹ́ka Allah ń bẹ mẹ́ka owó ọmọgọ̀ ni ní o tún mọ private mo ti lọ mẹ́ka lẹ́ẹ̀mẹ́wàá mo ti lọ mẹ́ka lọ ní kílò lọ yín bẹ́ẹ̀ israel kìkì nàìjíríà gọọmẹ̀ntì táwọn sọ nìyẹn ẹ wá òkúta kan ẹkùn dúdú bí àpótí kan lọ́mọ òdòkú àti tani ibẹ̀ fraud ni pẹ̀lú bẹ́ẹ̀ ṣe ń lọ sí jẹ́nu glasses time to block o tó ní ìrí ní tẹ̀ nǹkan wá kó blọọkì lọ kò ní dá fún yàrá yà yín ìgbẹ́ sábọ́dì mo bẹ̀rù anybody ni ṣé àmì pé fraud ní mẹ́ka tẹ̀ ń lọ ṣe ni ẹ má sọ pé no don't sọ pé kí America ride on it's going to affect you gbogbo tó wà nílùú yìí ìlú tí America bá jẹ ara onírọ̀rùn kò ní rádìyẹ ogun wo ní Nàìjíríà níjà ṣáwọn ìbọn àgbẹ̀kọ́ yàtọ̀ gbé dání ńlá lagi tí kò sí bá ṣe lè wà nílùú ìwà ṣẹlẹ̀ bí Nàìjíríà mi ò gbà ládùúrà ẹ̀yin náà wà ń ṣe bí èèyàn ẹ mọ̀ ń ṣe bí èèyàn we are ready for them ní kẹ́mi wọ́n kọ́kọ́ mú airport yín wọ́n kọ́kọ́ bàgẹ́ ẹ̀ ní ráyè sálọ kí lẹ fẹ́ kọ́ mú bí ọmọ ìjọ báyìí you are ready for them gbọ́dọ̀ bá ti mọ̀ pé ẹ̀yin oníṣẹ́ ibi lẹ́ẹ̀bà lọ kó yọ àwọn tí ò ń ṣiṣẹ́ ibi kan kúrò mbẹ̀ instead of from you President Tinubu to come out and address the citizens to calm down abducting Christians buying Christians you are boasting. If you do really love Nigeria, you come out and address it. Speak peacefully. Stop dialoguing with terrorists. Stop giving them money. Stop giving them virtual power. You can never Islamize Nigeria. You can never. Churches are not safe. They are burning churches. Tinubu, stop bragging. Think of your citizen. Don't be selfish and self-centered. That is egotism. It's true. If nobody talks, thank God, America is saying the killing of Christians in Nigeria is unbearable. It's no longer unbearable. And you are boasting. They can't come to you. They don't have permission to come to you. What African countries will support you? Don't we Africans are cowards? Oh, you know what? Abẹ́ẹ̀tẹ̀ ẹ̀ma ní tí Fani Káyọ̀dé kọ́ ni we are ready to face them. Fani Káyọ̀dé táyé ti bàjẹ́ you are ready to face who? Ṣé ẹ rò pé ogun àwọn kí lẹ máa ń pe àwọn tí máa ń gbé ìbọn tó ní wọ́n ń ṣọ́lé kiri ni àwọn Àgbẹ̀kọ̀yà àbí ogun ó tún ní nǹkan kan tẹ máa ń pe àwọn àbí Oòduà ní ogun àwọn Gani Adams ni ebi ò gbà ládùúrà wọn. Please Tinubu, this is a dangerous game. You either keep your mouth shut or you address the citizens who calm down. Nobody can barricade or stop America if they want to invade any country. They will invade and capture the country violently. President Trump is telling you the truth. Somebody will talk and rescue Christians. The way the Muslims are using their veto power because the president is Muslim, the vice president is Muslim, they think they can take law into their hand. Anyone that wants to fight a country, they don't need an invitation to cross the border. But I expect the government to show their humanity against their citizens. Not by saying America cannot do it. If it started now, you're going to lose a lot of things. They will loot all your natural resources. They will loot your money. Do we need that in Nigeria? With all your response to America can aggravate. You know, Trump is my husband for a very long time. People say we resemble each other, and I act like Trump. Because you are saying the truth, you are the enemy of the nation. Tinubu, you need to go and reverse back. You need to go and reverse back. You can't say Trump are the ones supplying the weapon. No. It might be USA. Each government is different. Like being said on Twitter that Obama sponsored the Chibok girls. I might be part of I might be an American now. You might not support, I might support. It's individual interest. But okay, he said that in America are the ones supporting them. So you love the way they are kidnapping Bishop, Reverend Sister, they are kidnapping the Christian. I'm sure you're a Muslim. It's a heartless religion. That I cannot even pray for my enemy to be Muslim. You are heartless in Africa. That is why you go to the Saudi Arabia to worship a black stone. Because you are a idolat. Share the one you say community in kitchen. Why they look the name of Allah? Because you knew that you see what they did recently in Lori. Why can't we see Christian abducting, kidnapping with cows? Why? Kidnapping. We need the Western world to come for a rescue in Nigeria. The kidnapping is too much. Kidnapping every day. Kidnapping someone that has no connection with politics. Kidnapping bank manager. Kidnapping why we are president and kings in Nigeria. Let's forget about the jihad, the Muslim. Kidnapping. Please, countries, come to our aid. It's like we don't have a president in Nigeria because our president is clueless. And the government has never come out to address. Kidnapping. Imagine the kidnapper will be asking for ransom from 25 million. And that does not even guarantee your life. They kidnaps a lot in the West. What is happening, Gaga? What is happening? If your citizen in Nigeria doesn't have money, they think every day on how to survive. Does that mean we should be wasting their life? It's good if we don't have presidents so everybody can live their life. And it doesn't seem to me Nigeria has a president that is competent enough to serve Nigeria. During the tenure of APC, aggressively kidnapping increased. And someone is telling me that it's America that is sponsoring them. Can you bring an evidence? Okay, it might be America, maybe for the previous president. But this current president says kidnapping is of Christians, killing of Christians is getting out of hand in Nigeria. Somebody will stand up to fight for the Christians. Christians are not a violent religion. You can never see a pastor fighting a pastor on social media. It's only the Muslim winning wars against himself. Believe one is holier than the other. This is not a threat. Tinubu, listen to me because I saw your reply. Like if Femi Fani-Kayode, we all know Femi Fani-Kayode is suffering from a substance that is consuming. instead of the president of Nigeria to make a correction, because I saw an update from President Tinubu, he said that they should raise, US has no power to cross over to Nigeria. If you know what you call a war, you won't use that language. Somebody that is trying to fight a person will not take any permission to interfere, to cross the border. And this is going to affect the whole Nigeria. It will affect the economy. Tinubu is supposed to address the nation to put a stop to this terrorizing act from Muslim towards the Christians, instead of you exchanging wars with America. I don't pray that Nigeria should see the fight from America. Go and see Libya. Up to today, Libya are still on their way to recover. They're still on their way for recovery. Kidnapping is beyond my imagination in Nigeria. It's not that because you offend them, they took. You know why they don't do robbery like before, like snatching of a car? Because all the gadgets in the car and the modification is stopping all those robbers snatching of cars on the express. No, it's kidnapping now. And who are the kidnappers? They are young guys. And that does not mean they are kidnapping due to lack of unemployment. They are just already broke. You can create unemployment for yourself. You can trade for yourself. This kidnapping, So kidnapping in Nigeria is lucrative. It's lucrative. That is the job everybody is doing. And their charges start from 25 million. Well, imagine someone that hasn't seen 5 million in their life. They will waste their life. But this should be uncommon in a country that has no leader. We have leaders. Do you know? Even Tinubu did not address you on October 1st about the security. Every 1st of October is when the president comes out to address the security, and he was using an excuse because they want to overthrow the government. Don't you have enough security to? You are only addressing the kidney in your asshole now. You're supposed to come out in October 1st to talk to Nigeria about the security. You are acting like we don't care. We are fed. We are fulfilled. We don't care who are not fulfilled in Nigeria. People are not rich. People are suffering in Nigeria. Leave them with their conditions. Stop killing them in Nigeria. A person that suffers today might rise tomorrow. Nobody is safe. It's lucrative talk now in Nigeria is kidnapping. If you like, open your door 24 hours, it's kidnapping. Kidnapping. My God. Even hearing that word kidnapping, what is traumatized? Because you don't know whether your family fulfill the ransom. That does not guarantee that your life is safe. Because what they did for the Chibok girls that were kidnapped during Jonathan, part of the thing that made Jonathan said, "Oh, I'm not coming as the president again," because he's a Christian. So how can that be possible? Minus. So the way you are bragging now, Femi Kayode, and all the Buru politicians, let them come. They don't have permission. Olóko nílé ìrókò. Ẹ̀wọ̀n tó ń ṣe fún Gaddafi. Ẹ̀wọ̀n tó ń ṣe fún Saddam Hussein. Ẹ̀mbá Amẹ́ríkà lérí. Ẹ mọ̀ jọra yín lójú Nàìjíríà, yẹn mọ̀ pé yín dé èèyàn gidi o. Ẹ ti gbà pé àwọn tẹ̀ ń kó gbogbo àwọn gold and natural resources náà lọ fún ibi ló ń bá yín tà. Bẹ́ẹ̀ ló ń kówó yín lọ. Ọ̀gá yín wá ló fẹ́ ọ̀gá yín wọ́n ní tẹ̀ ń ju owó lọ. Ẹ wá ń sọ orí yín ti dàrú. Orí yín ó ti dàrú. You better make sure you make an amendment. Stop updating. Ẹ bá tẹ̀ ìdílé bàbá mi nkú lẹ́bí mọ́. Àmọ́ àwọn èèyàn wa náà ṣe lè yàn. Ẹ lọ sórí Twitter, ẹ máa rí reflect. Tinubu náà wọ́n halẹ̀ ń bẹ́ẹ̀. They don't have the veto power to cross over to Nigeria. Mo fẹ́ báyọ̀ jà ní ìsìn. Ṣé máa tẹ́ máa lọ ó dàbí jọ́ tí mo lọ lé láti ṣé mo pé láti pé mò ń bọ̀ kí mo lọ ka mọ́lé pé kó wá jà. Kí àwọn take permission kò tó jà ni. All young girls are turned to aṣẹ́wó because they are no. Wọ́n fẹ́ turn to aṣẹ́wó ni. there's employment in Nigeria kò ló gbé mi débi tí mo wẹ̀ mí náà suffer Nigeria I work for myself wọ́n fẹ́ di kíní ó náà ní HIV ṣe kún Nigeria náà the government ṣẹ́rí let me tell you because àwọn interview àwọn tó wà lórí ilẹ̀ lẹ́bi ṣiṣẹ́ mo ń béèrè wípé tẹ bá rí fídíò Ọlábánjí fan ẹyin tó ń hatch lójúmọ́ over 50,000 crates ni ẹni pé táwọn ìyá yẹn wá wo bùbá wọn gba aṣọ ó ní ṣe mo ráwọn ìyá yẹn ó ní dòdò rí crate kan 500 ni wọ́n rí or 800 naira fáwọn tó bá fún kàní houses ó lè bọ̀tẹ́ lò ní ìgbà over 100 crates ó ní kí báwọn ṣe 500 into 100 crates wọ́n á dẹ̀ tàtàn within 1 week so about no Nigerians Yorubas are lazy. Don't even sympathize with them on social media again. Nobody's hungry in Nigeria. If you want to give them something, just give them freebies. But don't let anybody tell you that they are suffering. Nobody's suffering in Nigeria. They are just a professional beggars on social media. And I asked Ọlábánjí wípé ó ní kíni ó ní ṣe mo mọ woman tí mo make a reference woman kan tẹ́ bá rántí èèyàn mi ní last year tó wá sí mi bọ́sùn lórí Facebook wípé ẹjọ́ máa òun lọ sọ Ọlábánjí kún fẹ́ máa gbẹ̀yìn kó wọ́n sọ wípé àwọn ò ní registration fún new people ṣe pé is by allocation àwọn kan ti wà gbẹ woman yẹn wọ́n mi dẹ̀ mọ́ orúkọ woman yẹn gan-an bá mo fi message ẹ̀rọ yẹn pé kí n jọ ó ní tí n bá rí woman yẹn ó ti ra jeep ó ti ra truck tó frankly ní tí Ọlábánjí tẹ̀ láti sọ ni wípé ó ń sọ oníjọba Tinubu pí àwọn níbi kọ̀ọ̀sì táwọn ará àgbàdo tẹ́lẹ̀ ó ti wálẹ̀ ó dọ̀ kó sọ pé àwọn máa ń gba àgbàdo tẹ́lẹ̀ ní bíi iye kan wípé Tinubu ti sọ ní bíi 30,000 ó ṣàṣọ gbogbo ẹ̀ wípé nǹkan ti lọ ọlẹ̀ ó wá ní kí n má dá wọn lóhùn pé kí n má dá wọn lóhùn these people are lazy they will give you a story to shed the tears wípé ìyá ọjọ́ wọn àwọn ìyá yẹn ò kan kankan ó lẹ́yìn tó ń kọ́lé tó ń tẹyin tó ń wá ń gbẹja ẹ̀dẹ̀ bíi pé lọ́dún ẹ̀yẹn báyìí láàárọ̀ ìlú máa kún bí ọjà wa bá ní èmi ń tajà ewé ni mò ń ta ìwé àtegbò ní social media ò fún mi lówó ìwé àtegbò ni mò ń ta tí n bá ṣiṣẹ́ mi kò lè ní position náà ṣé gbogbo tápátá pé kò sówó Nàìjíríà yẹn bá irọ́ ẹni tó ń tún lọ kọ́ àwọn agbárúgbó wọn granny wọn wọ́n tún wá fi wọ́n tọrọ owó ignore them. ó sáà ló fẹ́ lọ UK ó dé ìlú òyìnbó rí o virgin passport ló fẹ́ lọ UK ó lówó làkáǹtì o ní student kìíní o 2 million yìí ló máa fi tajà kò gbọ́ kó lọ fi ṣe visa wọ́n bá rí ìfíìsì wọ́n bá pè nọ́mbà nínú torí 2 million ṣe kankan Nàìjíríà pé tó wọ 200,000 yẹn lè mí kẹ ní Nàìjíríà tó bá wà focus má fi owó yìí mo tún wá bá a sọ pé ẹni tó bẹ́ ṣe visa yẹn ìyẹn lòun ti náwó torí tèmi ó tún wá lòun fún ẹni 1 million nínú owó yìí tó wá gbé táwọn yẹn lọ pé kò help kí ni yẹn help èmi yàn help mi ó tún wá rí yàn help ẹ ìyẹn wá sọ fún mi pé òun fẹ́ fún ni that was case 2 years ago pé òun ti náwó òun ti ṣe ẹ ti lọ àpé àwọn refuse nǹkankan wà á dá 1 million mo ní gba 1 million ó lóun ní gbà àfi tó bá ṣàmú wà lóyìnbó ìlú òyìnbó yẹn you can never make it kò sí make ẹ̀ kankan kò dẹ̀ sọdún nílùú òyìnbó 1 million yẹn o lè má rí save nílùú òyìnbó fọdún kan 1 million naira yẹn ẹrù pọ̀ easy ni ká ló fẹ́ gbé ìwé ẹ̀ lẹ́ẹ̀tẹ̀ bá wá sí UK ebi nǹkan tí mo ní company mi ò lè gbé ìwé iṣẹ́ nílẹ̀ pé kò lọ fi ṣiṣẹ́ no anything further don't do it. Ibi tí mo ní company ló yẹ kí n máa sọ pé mo fẹ́ kóyàn wá sílùú òyìnbó with my company kí n lo work permit mi ò bá wọn ṣe rí I don't do anything against the law no because I have a conscience. Nígbà tó ní 2 million yẹn ṣé mi sọ pé kó lọ tajà ní 3 years ìlú èbó ni ó tẹ̀tọ̀ wá fẹ́ lọ ìlú èbó ó tó wá lọ dárúkọ UK láàjẹ́ pé ó ti ní visa ní virgin passport virgin kódà wò ní 1 naira ní àkáǹtì wọ́n ń tó lórí títò gbogbo ṣe bàjẹ́ mọ́ lọ́wọ́ ni but Nàìjíríà ò lè máa fọwọ́ pa diesel lórí diesel ò san tax ó lè rẹ̀ pẹ̀lẹ́ trillionaire tax return mi mo ṣe fi hàn yín last week mo san tax return ó fì mí o tax return yẹn fì mí o owó tó jáde lákàntì mi ó fì mí o ó fì mí o.
òun lẹ ti gbọ́ òun o lẹ́nu ẹni tó sọ̀rọ̀ yìí ẹ gbọ́ bí wọ́n ṣe yànnàná àwọn ọ̀rọ̀ ọ̀hún débi pé gbogbo ń tá ò tí ì mọ̀ pátápátá òun náà láti fi yé wa báyìí nítorí pé n tó bá kọjú sẹ́nìkan ẹ̀yìn ló kọ sẹ́lòmíì bí ìlú gángan ni mo ṣe máa ń sọ fún wa wípé bí nǹkan ṣe rí lápá ọ̀dọ̀ ara wa ọ̀tọ̀ọ̀tọ̀ ni. tọ́ ìkànnì tẹ́ ń wò yìí ó náà ní Yorùbá Parapọ̀ TV. ojú tẹ́ ẹ fi ń wò wá ojú ọ̀hún ò ní fọ́ o, etí tẹ́ sì fi ń gbọ́ wa etí ọ̀hún ò ní dì. a ó tún pàdé lọ́jọ́ míì ọjọ́ orí ni o, búburú kan ò ní ṣe yín.
Yorùbá Parapọ̀ TV ẹ máa gbọ́ ẹ máa wò ó, ẹ subscribe síbẹ̀, ẹ láìkí ẹ̀, bó bá ṣe ń lọ àwa ò ní jẹ́ kétí yín ó di sí o. Yorùbá Parapọ̀ TV àgbàlẹ́tù ọmọdé làwọ̀.